So hi, bud.
Dad, I filming it. I filming it.
What the fuck, man? Uh-oh. You break it. Watch your toes, buddy.
Hey, I'm doing some cool shots.
Ryan, what are they doing?
They're working on that truck.
What are they going to take out?
The front bumper. It's the wing dingers. I have to work. That was.
Okay, now there's just a bolt. Is there any bolts showing on you? Okay, here, let me try this.
Front bumper off. Wait, go.
Hopefully we can get the cherry picking now. I mean, I guarantee that if we take off there, I don't want to really stick my hand in there, you know. Oh, never mind, we're good. You're good, dude. I think I just broke your muffler pipe there. Because it already had a hole in it anyways, but you saw how easy that was, so.
Oh.
I literally, I'm pretty sure she's broken now, bud. Sorry about it.
You want to do that on this side, man?
I mean, I can try. I think that one already had a crack in it, though. Oh, yeah, this isn't sketchy at all. Here, try lifting it up. Wait. Oh, oil pressure. Okay, keep going. Yeah, there you go. Oh, shit. I think she's pretty much out. I don't see anything connected back there, nothing we're tugging on anywhere, so. Hell yeah, brother. Oh, man, now I gotta edit that out. Oh well.
Just say it.
In there. Yeah, why can't I say it? I'll be right.
Is the hoist itself stuck? Yeah, because the engine is free.
Maybe a rock or something? I don't know.
I just had to put my purse down. Oh no, it's stuck on that piece of wood.
Yeah, it's also stuck on. Can you unplug the ratchet or the thingy dinky do?
What's up, wingdingers? Here to give you another update video. So, got the motor out of the box here. Everything's stripped off. Got all the extra parts over here. Here's the new motor. Old motor, I took all the accessories off and everything. Took the motor mounts off. Got them mounted on this bad boy. Gonna go grab some parts here in a little bit. Gotta grab oil filters and gaskets and stuff. And once all that's ready, we are going to stuff the new motor in. So all the extra parts we have laying around. No shortage of parts here. But pretty soon she'll be ready to go and we'll be driving her, hopefully. If you have any suggestions for anything I should do, or things that you've experienced while owning one of these that you need to get fixed or anything, please just let me know in the comments there. Or if you have parts, we're going to be getting a parts list up here pretty soon and seeing everything that we need, get a nice big list going, and then hopefully by this time next week we'll be mobile and it'll be moving under its own power. So stay tuned and we'll keep you updated. Welcome back to the channel. We are about to put the engine in the truck. Stay tuned, this might get crazy.
Yeah, right? Okay, we gotta go down. Definitely. Oh, we're binding on something there. It says so. Get it loose already? I think so. I gotta watch this wire here. That's for your distributor. Don't want to frick that up. Yeah, well, definitely not. I mean, we just have to replace the wire again. Can we go down anymore? Okay, we're definitely crooked. How's your side looking? Because my side's on. This side's hot on that. You got a fucking screwdriver or something? Don't stick your hand in it. It's hot on the motor now. Okay, try lifting it up again. Some more? Nope. No? Messing with me? Oh, shit. Alright, here, give me 2 seconds. Try bringing her through.
Oh, that looks good.
Yeah, try bringing her down a little bit.
I look clear on this side too.
Okay, perfect. Slowly. Yeah. Okay, we're definitely. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that.
Went right in?
Boom, buddy.
Yeah!
Yeah, high five.
Yeah,
Yeah,
buddy!
It literally just slid right onto the dowel pins, man. That was so dope.
Oh, we got a motor in.
Yeah, buddy. We didn't even have to fight with it either.
No.
Damn, dude. I love how it just slid right on the dowel pins, man. That was so awesome. Like the transmission's perfectly butted up against the back of the engine right there.
I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's rare.
Yeah.
We did it!
Yeah, buddy.
Woo!
That was so awesome how it just slid in like butter almost.
It
It's
did.
like it was meant to be here.
That was perfect.
How well are these lined up? Look, the holes are lined up for the motor mounts.
Probably the best drop-in I've ever done. Because normally you gotta tinker with it a little bit. And
Yeah. Like it looks kind of. We might need to
Day
lift this
2.
side up a little bit.
we'll be back.
We're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. It is because the wonderful Wizard of Oz. We're going for a drive, guys. Going to get some parts.
Yeah.
Yeah, some parts.
Off to Lordco.
Yeah. Gotta get some parts for the truck, man. We're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. He is the wonderful Wizard of Oz. Driving down the street in an Escape, kicking a beat. How's it going up here, guys?
Good?
Guys having fun?
Oh yeah.
Right on.
Anytime going there is a fun time.
Yeah, brother.
Go to 7-Eleven.
Right on, man. Are you excited?
Yep.
Right on, dude. I'm excited too. It's a nice hot day to go get some Slurpees. Slurpees!
And even go to beach.
Right on. Just rolling to the store. Going to the Lordco.
Yeah.
Doesn't look overly busy today. Oh, that looks nice.
Yeah.
Be right back.
Man, are you excited? Right on, man. Me too.
$50?
No, man, that's cheap. This guy's just got a box of parts now.
Woo!
Oh, yeah.
Goodies.
Yeah, buddy.
Gaskets, oil, coolant.
Fun for days.